Preparing for the PEBC exam can feel overwhelming. You've got mountains of textbooks, scattered notes, and no one to turn to when you're stuck at 2 a.m. What if you had a personal pharmacy tutor, available whenever you needed it? Meet PharmaStudyAI, your AI-powered study companion built specifically for PEBC exam prep. Think of it as having a pharmacy expert in your pocket, ready to help you understand any topic, anytime. Just ask a question, like, what are the contraindications for ACE inhibitors? And get a clear, detailed explanation, tailored to what you need to know for the exam. See something you want to explore further? Just select it and dive deeper. Need comprehensive study notes? Summary sheets generate complete topic reviews in seconds. Just enter a topic, choose your depth level, and watch as AI creates organized, exam-focused notes, complete with clinical pearls and memory aids. Ready to memorize? Flashcards help you lock in key facts. Flip through cards, test yourself, and track what you know. Practice makes perfect. The question bank gives you MCQ practice with instant feedback. Answer questions, see detailed explanations for every option, and learn from your mistakes. The best part? It adapts to you. Set your exam type, your province, your timeline, and every response is tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're preparing for the evaluating exam, the MCQ qualifying exam, or the OSCE, PharmaStudyAI has you covered. Perfect for pharmacy students in Canada and international pharmacy graduates. Try it free at pharmastudyai.com. No credit card required. And subscribe to this channel for step-by-step tutorials on every feature. See you in the next video.